up. And sharp. Very few dents. Some of the bed here. Little stuff. Not bad. Look where that camper shell was. The paint's so perfect. Couple dents here where they clamped the camper shell. Tailgate works nicely. Chrome's good, taillight's good. This door's kind of dented up some. Here's our brand new project. Hopefully it's not too full of wasps. This is a 87 little cream puff. Certainly had them. It's the most precious, beautiful paint I've ever seen in my life. Look at that. Feel how somebody waxed that before they put this on. Feel it. That's smoother than a new car.
About that.
Oh, that's great. It's a little pre-soaked. Nah, that's too busy. Looks like a truck. Check her out. I'll be totally thrilled to repaint this. And I hope y'all stick around to see what I turn it into. I'm shooting a clear on the tailgate. This is just the very first coat, so you'll kind of see where it goes from a matte finish to a lot glossier finish. This is the Nason clear that I got. Matches the paint. And I figured I'd start with the tailgate. We typically have started with tailgate and then go to hood. Ended up doing 3 coats of clear. And I feel like it turned out pretty well. Going with the rust encapsulator now. I'm gonna start in the front of the bed, work my way back. All that window rolls up and down like brand new. Maybe better than brand new, I don't know. New steering wheel's on. Interior's done. With a D done. Mopar mats. Mopar mats. Dome light works. New seat, of course, you saw that already. But I think the interior's done. These big thick rubbers making the doors a little hard to close, but you can give them a. So there's mine. There's what it looked like to start with. Let's see. Road to get here, but I finally made it. He can come and pick his truck up real soon. It's just barely starting to sprinkle, so I better hurry this video up. Got that backdrop. It looks a lot better. I think it was about 2 inches came out of it, but overall I'm pretty pleased with the truck. I don't plan on painting another one for a long time unless it's some of my junk. Got our dual exhaust on. I'll show you that in just a second. The Blue Meanie. About to go home. Got us. Look at here.